The future of driving just got clearer. At the Japan Mobility Show 2025, Mazda Motor Corporation unveiled its profound vision for the future, encapsulated by the theme, "The Joy of Driving Fuels a Sustainable Tomorrow" for 2035. Leading this charge are two groundbreaking concepts, the Mazda Vision X-COUPE and the Mazda Vision X-COMPACT. First, the Mazda Vision X-COUPE. This crossover coupe is a stunning evolution of the Kodo, soul of motion design language, blending muscular presence with elegant, sweeping lines. But the real revolution is under the hood. It's powered by a state-of-the-art plug-in hybrid system, integrating a two-rotor rotary turbo engine with a motor and battery, delivering a staggering maximum output of 510 PS. It offers 160 kilometers in motor-only mode and an impressive combined range of up to 800 kilometers. And here is the game changer. By utilizing carbon-neutral fuel derived from microalgae and combining it with Mazda's proprietary CO2 capture technology, the Mazda Mobile Carbon Capture. This vehicle is designed to actually reduce atmospheric CO2 the more it is driven. Next, meet the Mazda Vision X-COMPACT. This model explores the emotional future of mobility, focusing on a deep bond between people and cars. Through the fusion of a human sensory digital model and empathetic AI, the X-COMPACT acts like a close companion. It's capable of engaging in natural conversation and even suggesting destinations, seamlessly expanding the driver's world. This is Mazda's vision for a future where smart mobility means more than just transportation. It means forming an emotional connection, much like a friend, guided by human-centric design. Bridging the future with the present, Mazda also unveiled the all-new Mazda CX-5, making its first public appearance. This evolution of a global bestseller, with over 4.5 million units sold, features a refined Kodo design, a spacious interior, and enhanced chain-based driving dynamics. Designed on the new electronic platform, the Mazda EE Architecture Plus, the CX-5 carries the legacy forward, offering an evolved, connected driving experience today. As Masahiro Moro, president and CEO of Mazda stated, the phrase, "The joy of driving fuels a sustainable tomorrow," expresses the core of Mazda's future challenges. Mazda believes the joy of driving can be a force for positive change for society and the planet. By evolving the joy of driving based on the value of radically human, Mazda is committed to delivering the ultimate joy of living, creating exciting mobility experiences for all.